Are you a salon owner drowning in spreadsheets? A fitness instructor losing track of client progress? Or maybe a spa manager struggling to keep up with appointments and marketing all at once? If any of these sound familiar, you've probably heard of Vagaro. And a question might have popped into your mind. Is Vagaro a CRM? It's a great question, and one that gets to the heart of what modern business software needs to deliver. Today, we're diving deep into Vagaro to answer that very question. We're going to explore its features, dissect its capabilities, and ultimately, help you understand if Vagaro truly fits the mold of a customer relationship management system. Because in the fast-paced world of beauty, fitness, and wellness, knowing your clients inside and out isn't just a nice-to-have. It's absolutely essential for growth and success. For decades, the concept of CRM has been central to how businesses manage their interactions with customers. At its core, a CRM system helps companies organize and access customer data, track interactions, manage leads, and automate various customer-related tasks. Think of it as a central hub for everything related to your clients, from their first inquiry to their latest purchase and beyond. The goal? To improve customer relationships, drive sales, and enhance overall business efficiency. Traditional CRM software like Salesforce or Zoho CRM is designed to be incredibly broad, serving almost any industry. They offer deep customization, complex sales funnels, and extensive reporting for a wide array of customer interactions. They're built for scaling businesses across diverse sectors, focusing heavily on lead nurturing, sales pipeline management, and detailed customer segmentation for targeted marketing campaigns. Now, let's talk about Vagaro. Vagaro is primarily known as an all-in-one business management platform specifically designed for the beauty, fitness, and wellness industries. This includes salons, spas, gyms, yoga studios, personal trainers, chiropractors, and nutritionists. It's built with the unique workflows and client needs of these service-based businesses in mind. So, while it might not explicitly market itself as a CRM-only solution, the question remains, does it offer the functionalities that a CRM provides? Let's break down Vagaro's features through the lens of CRM capabilities. First up, client management. This is where any good CRM shines, and Vagaro certainly delivers. Vagaro allows you to create comprehensive customer profiles. These aren't just names and phone numbers. You can store detailed contact information, appointment history, purchase history of products and services, membership details, loyalty points, and even notes from past interactions. You can track things like their last visit, how long they've been a customer, and the total number of appointments and classes attended. For a salon, this means knowing a client's preferred stylist, their hair color formula, or their last facial treatment. For a fitness studio, it could mean tracking a client's fitness goals, injury history, or preferred class types. Vagaro also offers a family and friends feature, allowing clients to share memberships or packages, which is a neat way to manage related customer profiles. This level of detail in client profiles is a cornerstone of CRM. Next, communication and engagement. A key aspect of CRM is effective communication. Vagaro provides robust tools for this. It offers automated email and text notifications for appointment reminders, confirmations, and cancellations. This significantly reduces no-shows and streamlines client communication. Beyond basic reminders, Vagaro includes email and text marketing features, allowing you to send targeted promotions, birthday messages, or re-engagement campaigns to inactive clients. You can segment your customer list based on various criteria, making your marketing efforts more personalized and effective. This ability to automate and personalize communication is a strong indicator of CRM functionality. Then there's scheduling and booking. While not traditionally a core CRM feature, for service-based businesses, efficient scheduling is inherently tied to customer relationships. Vagaro's online booking system is a major selling point. Clients can book appointments 24/7 through your Vagaro listing, your website, or even social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. This seamless booking experience enhances customer convenience and satisfaction, which directly impacts their relationship with your business. The system also supports waitlists, resource management, and allows you to set lead times and online appointment rules. By making it easy for clients to interact with your business, Vagaro is actively contributing to customer relationship management. What about sales and marketing integration? CRMs are often used to manage sales pipelines and integrate with marketing efforts. Vagaro, while not a traditional sales CRM for tracking complex B2B pipelines, definitely facilitates sales within its niche. Its integrated point of sale, POS, system handles transactions, manages inventory, and processes various payment types. This transaction data feeds directly into customer profiles, providing a holistic view of their spending habits. The marketing tools, as mentioned, enable promotional campaigns, daily deals, and gift card management, all designed to attract and retain clients. The ability to track sales data against client profiles and run targeted marketing campaigns off that data strongly aligns with CRM principles. Finally, reporting and analytics. Understanding your customers and business performance is crucial for growth. Vagaro offers a suite of reports and analytics that provide valuable insights into appointment bookings, revenue generation, client retention, and product sales. These reports help you identify trends, understand customer behavior, and make informed decisions to optimize your services and marketing strategies. While not as customizable as some enterprise-level CRMs, Vagaro's reporting provides key metrics relevant to managing customer relationships and business health in the beauty, fitness, and wellness sectors. So, to definitively answer the question, is Vagaro a CRM? Yes, Vagaro does function as a CRM, particularly for the specific industries it serves. While it might not be a standalone, general-purpose CRM like Salesforce, it incorporates a comprehensive suite of CRM functionalities tailored to salons, spas, and fitness businesses. It excels at customer data management, personalized communication, streamlined booking, and integrated sales and marketing tools, all of which are core components of effective customer relationship management. It's a specialized CRM, if you will, deeply embedded within a broader business management platform. It allows businesses in its niche to not only manage appointments and finances, but also to nurture client relationships, personalize services, and drive repeat business, precisely what a CRM is designed to do. For businesses in the beauty, fitness, and wellness space, Vagaro offers a powerful, all-in-one solution that truly helps them understand, connect with, and grow their customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.